Alright guys, welcome back. Today it is Sunday afternoon and we're headed into the new week. We've got a beauty of a trade lined up here on Litecoin. I believe Litecoin is about to pump and rip 10% plus. Okay, so I think we're going to get to at least 86 bucks, 85 bucks here in Litecoin. Alright, now a lot of people would maybe call this a bull flag or something. To me, guys, the bull flag is like one of the least reliable chart patterns there is. So it's not so much about the pattern. It's just a combination of factors. So I wanted to show you the Litecoin BTC chart, which is a chart I'm so damn bullish on. Okay, and right now I'm noticing that it's stubborn to go lower. Okay, and so when you zoom out and when you look at this Litecoin Bitcoin chart, it is one of the most bullish charts you will ever see. Okay, and so in the big picture, I'm talking 3 years out, I believe Litecoin is going to destroy Bitcoin in performance. And so let me show you something. Let's see if this Binance chart goes out far enough. It doesn't. Okay, so, oh no, it does. Okay, so you have this massive 4-year double bottom in Litecoin. A lot of people think this coin is dead, and they are so damn wrong. Okay, Litecoin is going to melt people's faces in the coming years. And I believe Litecoin is going to see $1,000 plus per coin. So here it is at $78. Basically, my thesis is Litecoin is a coin that's going to outperform Bitcoin and make it look funny. It's going to make Bitcoin look like a joke. And so you have this massive 4-year double bottom, and you can just see Litecoin is not going to go lower than this ratio it's already at. Okay, so in my opinion, Litecoin's incredibly undervalued, and we're seeing that. We're seeing it outperform Bitcoin and all the cryptos during the bear market. You can see what Litecoin has done versus Bitcoin in the last 5 months. Okay, if you would have held Litecoin instead of Bitcoin, you would have made basically, you would have tripled your Bitcoin by holding Litecoin. Okay, so when you understand that, we have no bearish divergence on this chart, and so as far as I see, it's a parabolic uptrend that is completely free to continue to go parabolically to the upside, if that makes sense. So this is one of the most bullish charts in crypto. A lot of people think this is dead. It is far from dead, and you're about to see exactly why. Litecoin is about to explode, boys. All right, so get ready for a massive pump and short squeeze higher here that I think we're going to see. And if I'm right, it's going to be a good week. So anyways, guys, we're locked and loaded. I've sent out the alert to everybody in Crash Alerts, my Telegram channel right now. So I think we're about to make some good money this week. And who knows, maybe Litecoin's going to explode up to $92. In that case, it's going to be one heck of a trade. I hope you're ready. All right, let's do this. All right, guys, check this out. There's the pump. We nailed it. Absolutely nailed it. How did we see this coming? Okay. How do we see it coming? Guys, this is why it pays to be inside the alerts. Okay, I wish I could show you the alerts right now, but for some reason my Telegram is not working on my computer right now. But I could probably put up some pictures of what I alerted everyone. I'll also post some screenshots here on Twitter of the messages I was sending out to everybody. So, yeah, pretty sweet trade right there. And you know, a lot of people, for example, I just want to show you what a lot of people would see. So, you know, this is the thing, right? Everyone thinks they know how to read charts, but, you know, if everyone knew how to read charts, everyone would make these trades, right? But they don't. So a lot of people would see this and they think, oh, lower high, lower high, lower high, and then they'd short it right here and get their face ripped off, right? This is probably what happens to a lot of you guys who think you know how to read charts. And so here's you guys end up getting short squeezed to death when you could be on the long side making 370, okay? 370 Litecoin. How much is that? So yeah, we're up $30,000, and literally, guys, I think it's been 60, 90 minutes. But I'll probably title this 30K in 30 minutes just because it's more catchy. But, you know, we nailed this trade in the alerts, and so congratulations to everybody in there who took this trade with me. And trades don't get much better than that when, I mean, we just entered, right? Like, we just entered not even 90 minutes ago, right? And boom, we just got in right there, and boom, there it goes. And so you should see my messages. Once again, I'll put them back up on the screen here so you can see what I was telling everyone. Sadly, Telegram's not working on my laptop right now. I told everyone we could easily get a 10% pump here. This could be beautiful. It's exactly what we're getting. So we're still yet to reach our secondary profit targets, but see, boom, 10% is to exactly where our profit targets are. So at that point, we'll have locked in half of the profit, okay? And so that'll be, we'll lock in around, I don't know, what is that? $15,000 or $20,000 in profit, and we'll let the rest run for now. And if we decide to close out, I'll let you guys know if you're in the alerts. So thank you guys for watching this trade. Hopefully my analysis on entering the trade was of value to you so you could see how I was seeing it. And basically I explained it in detail in the alerts, but basically we're saying that basically Litecoin over Bitcoin is one of the most bullish charts in crypto, right? I truly believe Litecoin's going to go to $1,000+ a coin. And so here it is at $78, right? That doesn't mean it's going to go to $1,000 soon. It could take 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. But we just know that this is going to be one of the most bullish coins in the next 3 to 5 years, okay? And so you're going to have opportunities to trade that in the short term. And this is one of those opportunities where we get to use the strength of the coin to our advantage, okay? And so there's Bitcoin pumping, right? But this is exactly what I sent out to everyone in the alerts. I said, look, basically our plan is Bitcoin should get to 17,500 at least, okay? Now let's say Bitcoin goes up 3%, then we should expect Litecoin to go up 10% plus and outperform Bitcoin. That's what I told everyone. So that's exactly how it went down live here, as you've seen. And this is the trade we took. So hopefully the analysis, the game planning, my view of entering into this trade all made sense for you. Before I go, guys, make sure to follow me on Twitter if you're not already. I feel like I've talked about Litecoin on Twitter. Maybe this is your first time hearing me even talk about Litecoin and you're surprised I'm bullish on it, because I know a lot of people, it's probably a big surprise. You're like, what the hell? Why are you bullish on Litecoin? It's total shit. It's dead. It doesn't even make sense. And so, you know, this trade has been technical, right? This is not about the fundamentals. This is not about why Litecoin is going to outperform Bitcoin and go to $1,000 plus per coin. I'm just trading it short term right now, right? But if you're actually interested in like my long-term thesis here and why I'm so confident in that, I think that may be a good video for me to explain here in the near future. So make sure you subscribe to the YouTube. Make sure you follow me on Twitter. I will do analysis onto why I truly think Litecoin is going to be one of the greatest plays of a lifetime here in the coming years, and why it's so damn obvious. And so many of you guys, you don't realize it. You don't even know it. It's right there in plain sight, but very few people realize what's actually happening here, why Litecoin is going to be one of the best coins of the next 3 to 5 years. So yeah, I definitely will be happy to open your eyes to that, because like I said, a lot of you don't know why. You're scratching your head. You're thinking, why the fuck would you be bullish on this coin of all coins? It's dead. No one uses, right? That's what you think. So I'll definitely love to debunk that and explain it to you in a future video. But anyways, guys, that's our short-term trading. And the beautiful thing about short-term trading is you can roll these gains into long-term investments. So for example, we're up 350 Litecoin, 370 Litecoin. By the time we're done with this trade, I'm sure we're going to be up much more. So if we make 500 Litecoin, for example, that's $41,000. With that profit I generated in the short term, I can actually roll that into long-term investment, right? So one, what I could do is I could wait if I think Litecoin's going to come back down maybe, right? What I can do is I can keep this 41,000 in cash, and I can wait to deploy that at, say, 60 bucks Litecoin. And then I can get myself a lot more Litecoin. Instead, I'd be able to get myself probably 650 Litecoin. And now, see, this little profit we make today gets invested into 650 Litecoin, and then when Litecoin hits $1,000 a coin, that's $650,000 profit. And that's the beautiful thing about trading if you can nail it, guys, during the bear market. Okay, because this profit today, which may be only $30,000 or $40,000 or $50,000, really rolled into long term, that can be $650,000 plus in profit. Does it make sense? So yeah, I hope that clicks for you, and I hope you realize the power of being able to trade short term and roll that into long term. And just, you know, to be able to pull money out of the market weekly, whether the market goes up or down, right? Because look, we're bullish today and we may be shorting the market tomorrow. right? I actually think the market's going to collapse pretty damn soon. And so I'm looking to short the market, right? But being able to be objective and play long and then go short. And hopefully when we go short eventually, and I'm not going to short Litecoin because it's such a strong coin, right? If I'm going to short something, I'd rather short something weaker, right? But if I am going to short the market soon, then we can profit on the downfall, make another 30,000, right? I'm just saying 30,000. Maybe we only make 5,000, right? It just depends. Every trade is different. And then guess what? As the market falls, we get discounts and we get to roll those profits into long term. That's how it's done. I hope you learned from this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.